delicious and tasty pakora curry recipe. Don't forget to show love and support to my channel. And please subscribe for more yummy recipes. Pakora curry recipe. 1. Make the curry base. In a pan, add gram flour, besan, spices, chopped onions, and water. Mix well and place it on the stove to cook into a curry. Deep fry spoonfuls of the batter to make pakoras fritters. 3. Make the tadka tempering. In a small pan, heat oil. Fry until golden onions, aromani, Thai red chilies, and curry leaves. Add the pakoras to the curry as well. Your tasty and comforting pakora curry is ready to enjoy.